So let's talk about these bags because these bags are amazing. I live by the beach and it's always humid here. And unfortunately, sometimes we get mold. So we do the dehumidifiers. We've got one in the hallway, we've got one in the bathroom, we've got one in the bedrooms, but we needed these bags for extra protection, especially next to my washer and dryer. They have helped significantly in reducing the amount of moisture in the air. I have one in my kitchen as well. The one in the kitchen does not fill up as fast, but the one in the hallway has already got this much water in it, and I put it on there 2 days ago. So it's time for me to purchase another set of them. This set itself lasted me about a month and a half. It's one of my regular purchases, and if you live in a climate where there's a lot of moisture in there, or you have cold and you run your washer and dryer like during the winter and the condensation builds up and there's a lot of moisture in the air, I recommend purchasing them also. We have a dehumidifier. We have one in the bathroom, one in the hallway, and then we have another one in the bedroom of my daughter, and it's still not enough. We still have times where we end up with mold. So please, please, please consider this product because I don't think you'll be disappointed. They are helpful, they're cost effective, and there's no smell. They definitely are cheaper than other brands and they work just as well. So, good luck.
I've been having issues with mold and mildew in my closet for a very, very long time, and I didn't know what to do. So I tried using baking soda, and I tried using rice, but nothing worked. So I came across this product, this little hanging bag moisture absorber, and look what happened after a week and a half. A week and a half later, the bag is almost filled with water. This little bag absorbs all the moisture from the back here, and it flows down to the bottom. This is absolutely amazing, incredible. I can tell you it works. Look at it. I had two. See that? It works. And just for good measures, I had a third one. Look at it. Filled with water from the closet after about a week. Now there's no more mold, there's no more musk, there's no more funky smell. It's nice and fresh, mold and mildew free. Thanks to these little bags. So I can say that I approved. Look at all that water from a week. Unbelievable.
I wish I would have ran into these sooner because I wasted my money on a bunch of these, and this has been on longer than the hanging bag. This has nothing. Absolutely nothing. The hanging bag has been here for a week. 1 week.
This is what I actually like about this. You can visibly see that the moisture in the bag is being removed from the closet. Good product.
This is about a month later, so seems to be doing the job.
This thing is working right by the towels in the bathroom. Look at that.